Hi friends, how are you all? I hope that you are doing good. So in this video you can see that how to multiply numbers in MS Excel. In my previous video we saw that how to add numbers in MS Excel, how to subtract numbers in MS Excel. If you didn't see that, I'll give in the link in the description, in the end card, in the iCard also. So you can check out the video. So before going to video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. So when I put a video, get us a notification. So without wasting time, let's get started. First we have to open MS Excel. For that, just go to the taskbar and search for Excel, EXCEL. Just tap enter and now the Excel has been opened. So for your reference, for your easy understanding, I have created a Excel sheet. I will demonstrate you in that first and I will show you how to do the same in a new Excel sheet. Yeah, fine. Now let's start. So for that, I have created a table name called A into B, which means 1 into 2, that is 2. So I will have to get 2 over here. I will show you again. 1 into 2, which is 2. I have to get 2 over here. Fine. So for that, let me insert some random numbers in cell A and B. So I'll put 21, some random numbers. Oh, sorry. In B also I'll put something. So in A into B cell I have to get 21 into 65, and for this 43 into 78 and 65 into 34. For that, just in the cell where you need the answer, so which is A into B over here, I need the answer of 21 into 65. So select the cell, go to the formula bar in the top over here. Now enter the following formula, which is equal to, select the cell A2, and now you have to multiply A2 with for that the shift and enter the star. For you have to multiply A2 with B2. So just select B2, click on enter, you got the values, you got the answers. So now we can't type the formula each and every time for all the cells. For that, there's a shortcut. Just select the cell where you have entered the formula, just go to the bottom right hand side. You can see a plus symbol like this. Just left click and drag it down, and we got the answers of all the values. So if you are going to change the values, you don't want to do the type the formula, so just I'll show you again. Enter some values, enter something. You may think, why there's hashtag in both the columns? Because there's no space for that answer. For that, just go to the top. You can see like this, just double tap on it and we got the answers. So no need of typing the formulas again and again, just easy. Now I will demonstrate you the same in a new Excel sheet. This is a new Excel sheet which we have opened in the beginning of the video. So just I will zoom it a bit. Yeah. Now let me type some random numbers. I think this is enough. Then here also same I will do. Yeah. So in cell C I need the answer of 54, A into B, and here also I need the answer of A into B, which means A2 into B2. Here I need the answer of A3 into B3. Here I need the answer of A4 into B4. Here I need the answer of A5 into B5. So I will show you same formula. Select the cell where you need the answer, go to the formula bar, just type equal to A2, select A1, star, select B1, click on enter, we got the answer, just drag it down, we got it. That's it. So we got the answers of A into B, which means A1 into B2 over here, and A2 into B2 over here, and A3 and B3 over here, and it goes on. Simple, that's it. Yeah.
In this video we saw that how to multiply numbers in MS Excel. I hope that you all enjoyed the video and came to know how to multiply numbers in MS Excel. Then I'll see you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.